Hey guys, Akil here again. So in the last video, I just want to touch upon what we've done. I showed you guys where to go to install the theme, where to go to for the widget area to change the appearance of how your theme looks. Again, depending on the theme you choose, certain options won't be available, certain features won't be available. So all depend on that particular theme, if it's free or premium. Certain free themes you do certain things, certain premium themes do certain things that free themes won't do. And again, I showed you guys how to set up a menu inside of your WordPress website. Now I'm going to show you guys how to add a plugin. A plugin works the same way as a theme. You click on the plugin section. Now, again, there's certain free plugins, there's certain paid plugins, and depending on the function that involved, sometimes you may have to pay for a premium plugin like this one here. But the rest of these are free. These two come as default, the Akismet and the Hello Dolly. Those are the default. I've added this doggone design plugin for the sitemap section, so allows me to put a shortcode in here and then list all the pages or posts I have on my website, so that way someone comes to my website and they're not sure which pages I have or want to go to a specific page, they could come to the sitemap and click on that page. As well as good for Google, so when they come and index your website, they can see and crawl it properly. Again, to add a plugin, you just click on add new or add new here. I'm going to add a contact plugin and show you guys how to do that. So you have the different options again: featured, popular, recommended, favorites. Again, if I go to, let me see if I still have it open, WordPress directory, WordPress.org. So if I click on WordPress.org, you can go here and see other plugins as well. So they have 35,889 plugins and then 840 million downloads. Again, this works the same way. This pulls in plugins from the WordPress directory. The plugin that I'm going to find is called Fast Secure Contact Form. So again, you type in the plugin that you need. This is the one that I need. You click install, click OK. Actually, are you sure you want to install this plugin? Yes, I am. And what it'll do, it'll go and install it for you, and this will allow me to have a contact form. So I click activate plugin. You don't have to activate it right away if you want to. If you want to go and add more, and then I'll go to pages, open it in a new window, and see if I have a contact page, which I probably do here. So the contact page is there. So I'll click on it so you can see how it looks before and after. So this is a contact page. I don't have any contact form underneath, but I do have like a description. So I'll go back here, click on edit. Now I need to go to, sometimes your plugin will show up as a new category, or it may show up in the plugins area under here as like a line, or it may show up in the tools depending on where the creator had it set up. Click on contact form, Fast Secure Contact Form. Now I need this is called a shortcode. I need to copy the shortcode and go to my pages, click on the TXT. So this is the visual side of it. Again, the visual side looks like this. The TXT shows you the code inside of it. So I want to put it, you can put it anywhere you want, but if you have any text, you want to put it after the text. So click on, that's how it looks. So it should show up. Click on update. Anytime you change anything on your website, you want to make sure you click update. Now you can see here nothing's there, so I'm going to refresh this, and this is my Fast Secure. So it's name, email, subject, message, and then I need to enter this captcha in order to submit the form. Alright, so that's how you add a contact form. And not every single plugin has shortcode. So if you want to again view different plugins, so you click on install plugins, and these are all the plugins that have been installed. Another plugin, so again, if you want it, I'll give you guys a list below. You go here, you click add new, sorry, not there, you click add new here, and then you can search for different plugins I like to look at the popular and see what's available. Contact form is a nice one. This is another good one which I'll leave below. The Google Analytics one is pretty good. So just lets you know what some of the popular plugins are. You don't have to have all of them. Now you just want to make sure that you only want ones that you usually use, because you don't want to have too much plugins, because it actually slows down your website as well. So again, that's how you add a contact form or a code from a plugin to your contact contact page. And that's the plugin section. And the plugin works pretty, straightforward. You find the plugin that you want. Again, you have the option to upload one. So it works the same way. You find your download area. You find the plugin that you want to upload. Don't unzip it. So like this in here is like a membership plugin. I can upload it, but I don't want to. You click on it, and then you click open, and then upload, and this will install, and then you have the option to activate it, or you can activate it right away, or you can go and click install, activate it. Now sometimes certain plugins, they don't work with each other, and then certain functions of the particular plugin wouldn't work, so you just need to probably deactivate all of them and find out which two are causing the conflict, and hopefully email the creator if you can. If it's a premium plugin, hopefully they can fix it, or you can decide if you want to use that plugin or not. So I mean, I've had that issue where I've had certain plugins on here that didn't work good with each other, or wasn't really upgraded to the new version, and it didn't work properly as intended. So I had to choose between whether deactivating it or not using it at all, or choosing deactivating all of them and seeing which two plugins are causing the issue, and deciding if I really wanted to use it or not. Again, that's how you use a plugin. The users section will be the next section we talk about. Again, it's going to be straightforward, because you're not going to be adding users to your page unless you say you're creating a news site, or you're having a guest site where people can actually go in and publish articles on your website. So again, this might not be a function that you'll need, but inside this video I showed you guys how to install the plugin manual way, by add new, where you can go from WordPress.com and view more plugins. You can always read the description of what these plugins can do and decide on what you want. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And that's the plugin section. It's pretty straightforward. Alright, see you guys in the next video.